Okay, so join everyone and let's see the solution of the paper. Fine. Question number up to question number 7 we have discussed. This is question number 8 here. The difference of the highest and the lowest observation.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Afternoon, sir.
Anushka Burande. Anushka. Rohini.
Yes, sir.
What we should call when we find the difference between highest and lowest observation?
What, sir? Which question is?
I'm asking what you call if you are finding a difference between highest and lowest observation. See data observed. Highest and lowest का difference find करते हैं. What we call it?
Sir, your voice is not coming properly.
It's, sir. It's an associative property. Sir, may I tell?
Yes.
Sir, may I tell?
Range.
Range.
We call it range. Fine. So that this A or true or false is false. Fine. Because it is given as A and C, but false is A. So again, the one whose name I will tell, he or she only will reply. Okay, all of us will listen. Find the ninth one. For the question number 9, Pranay.
Can I answer?
No, wait a minute.
Sir, I can. Sir, may I tell?
I told all of you, don't unmute until I ask you, okay? Where is Pranay? Samir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how to do -9 -11? How much?
-9 plus -9.
-11. Same sign. What do you do?
Sir, minus.
Beta, both have same sign. -9 and -11.
Plus.
So what is the answer?
So -20.
Very good. And now in the RHS you see here is one additive inverse minus of minus. So minus become
Plus.
okay. So what is the answer now? -9 plus 11.
+2.
Very good. See, when we have same sign, we add, but when we have different sign, and why a different sign came? Because there are two negative. One is outside the bracket, one is inside the bracket. So that's minus become plus. Now it is +2. So is it true or false?
False.
Why 2 is not greater than -20? The question is asking -9 -11 is smaller. It's true or false? It is true.
Sir, because always minus is lower than plus.
What, Santosh?
Sir, there's always a minus is lower than plus.
Yes. So negative is always smaller, so that's why it's true. Fine. Let us come
So
to
that's
the
why
10th
plus
question.
2
You will
is
give me an
greater.
example.
Sir, I
Advaita
have a doubt.
Dwivedi. Yes.
So in the ninth question,
In ninth question. Fine. What is your doubt?
sir, the both signs are same. So why the answer should be same now?
No,
That
dear, you
minus
will
9 plus minus 11.
yes, here it is plus and then minus 11. And in RHS, we have minus 9, minus of minus. Okay, you can see there is a difference of a sign. Between these two numbers, here it is addition, and here it is fine. When addition is there, the same sign came from minus 9, minus 11 to minus 20. But because of two negative, it becomes okay.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay, the product, the reciprocal of an improper fraction is improper. Let me tell the name. Garima Singh. Garima,
Yes, sir.
give an example of an improper fraction.
Example of improper fraction.
Yes,
11 by
11 by.
7.
Okay. So what is the reciprocal here?
7 by 11.
Fine. So now 7 by 11 is proper or improper?
Proper.
Yes. So what you should say? This statement is true or false?
True.
The
Sorry,
question is
false.
asking yes, the reciprocal of an improper fraction is an improper fraction. This was the question, which is false. Because we know that every time the reciprocal of improper is proper. Okay, you can see how the question is asked. I'm telling you always when you are discussing, when you are learning, studying any of the topic, तो उस topic के जो basic concepts हैं वो हमको learn करना चाहिए. Yes, so this question is from the topic reciprocal. जब हमने before doing division of fractions, yes, when we written the heading reciprocal. So reciprocal की क्या properties हैं? What we observe? So we should keep it in mind. So this one is false. Now 11th one, middlemost value when we arrange in ascending or descending order. Jatin,
So can you repeat the question?
middlemost value of a data arranged in ascending or descending order. Suppose if we have 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. Jatin,
Yes, sir.
बताइए what is the median?
Sir, what?
Median.
Sir, your sound is cutting.
Cutting, only cut, no cutting. Cut. What is the middlemost value here?
Sir, your sound is not clear.
Okay, I am putting in the chat.
Sir, may I
Please.
tell the answer?
No, don't do like that, please. Median. Median, Rutuja, Janvi, Elise, Rohini, Aditi, they all answered
Sir,
here.
can I
It's
tell?
median. So the middlemost value of any.
Sir, can I answer?
Sir, can I answer?
Okay, you all just raise your hand now. Tell me what is the median here. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. Just quietly raise your hand. Okay, keep your video on. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9.
Sir, answer 2.
3 raised hand.
Sir, please repeat the question again.
You can see on the board I have written. Yes, Santosh.
Sir,
Okay,
3
Ayushi is
and
also
5.
here. Good.
Sir, the
Sir, please
middle is
repeat the
3 and
question
5.
again.
What is the answer, Santosh?
3 and 5.
No, dear. Ayushi,
4.
how? Ayushi, how? 4.
Sir, may I?
Wait a minute.
May I tell?
Sir, please repeat the question.
Garima, I already put it in chat box. Fine. You can see there. Ayushi, have you got 4? We will find the median of two middlemost values. Okay. Here Shardul is also getting, Jatin is also getting, Jayant. Very good. Yes, Shardul.
Sir, 8 upon 2 will be 4.
Fine. Now you tell me one more. I have okay, what is the median now?
Sir, 5 plus 7 will be 12 and 12 upon 2 will be 6.
Are you all getting it? Again, we are revising because many of you have done it wrong. And we are talking about median, median is the middlemost value. Yes. But if we have even number of terms, like here we have 3, 6, 8 terms. Fine. So for even number of terms, what we should do? We should take the mean of two middle terms. Like here 5 and 7 are two middle terms. So we'll add them and divide by 2. Okay? Is it clear to all of you the mean of two middle terms? This is the case for even number of terms. For even number of terms. And we have even number of terms. Fine. Do you want one more example or is it okay? Shrivat, name of the property 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3. Jain Bala, answer it.
Commutative property.
Then what is associative property?
Sir, the answer is associative. Sir, because it
Associative
is repeating.
property.
Jayan,
Sir,
yes, what is associative property?
sir, I forgot.
of find more, but see associative is for more, like association is of more people. Okay, तो अगर हम associative बोल रहे हैं, so there are more than 2 terms because there are 3 terms. So associative property is for 3 terms, and for 2, this is fine. So this is a difference. We just sometimes we get confused. So keep it clear that associative association is of more, है ना? So for 3 associative, for 2 commutative. One more example of median. Fine. Let's take one more example of median. 2 examples. The first one is 4.531, 2.5. Find the median. Find median.
Sir, may I?
No, may I?
Sir, I got the answer. Can I tell?
Yuvraj? Yuvraj, can you hear me, Yuvraj? भाई युवराज जो गेम खेल रहा है श्रीवत्स श्रीवत्स कुलकर्णी राई राई थे पाले See, these students, I think they are keeping their class on, but they are not attending. Okay, who will answer it now? Rai, can you listen me, Rai? Shardul and Santosh are ready. Dhyanesh?
Yes, sir.
Dhyanesh, what to do? Dhyanesh, tell me the ascending order.
1,
Next.
Sir, 2.5.
talking to Dhyanesh.
Sir, 2.5.
Okay, next.
Sir, 3. 4/5.
4.5. Okay, what is the median? कितनी टर्म्स है 1 2 3 4 है ना, तो इवन नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स है, तो डायरेक्टली हम निकाल नहीं सकते. व्हाट टू डू? टू मिडिल टर्म्स कौन सी दिख रही है? ध्यान है, दो मिडिल टर्म्स.
Sir, what?
मिड में दो टर्म्स कौन सी दिख रही है आपको बताइए. हमको मीडियन निकालना है ना. वी वांट टू सी द मिडिल मोस्ट वैल्यू. सबसे मिड में कौन आ रहा है? अभी फोर टर्म्स है तो फोर में कोई भी मिड में नहीं आएगा, बट देयर आर टू मिडिल टर्म्स. So 2.5 plus 3 divided by 2. What is the answer, Ganesh, now? Two plus 3. Half of 5.5. Yes, Santosh.
Sir, my answer is 2.75.
2.75. Shardul, what you got?
Sir, 2.7.
2.7.
Sir, can I
Two.
tell the statement?
2 times 4.5. 7 times 14. Now 1 is there. Because of point, we can take 1 0.
5 into 2, 10.
Yes. The answer is 2.75 is the median. Samriddhi. Next question. If you multiply negative integers, the result is a positive integer. How many times you should multiply negative? Negative. Suppose if I take -3, so -3 multiplied by -3. -3 multiplied by yes.
Sir, if what if we have to find the median in fraction?
What we have to find in the median fraction. Same way we will do here. Same. Like you can take an example and ask me.
Sir,
What,
can
sir?
I give?
An example. Can you have a series? Tell me some fractions.
1/4,
Okay.
2/5, 7/1, 7/2, 5/3,
5. Okay, this one.
Yes, sir.
So there are now 4 numbers. All of you got a task. First of all, arrange them in ascending or descending order. To finding median, we need the arranged data. Okay, so here we have to arrange. So all of you find the
Excuse me, sir.
LCM, the denominator same. Denominators are 4, 5, 2, 3. So 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the LCM? The greatest number is 5. You can see a multiple of 5 which is coming in 4, 3 and 2 also. LCM. Orally, who can tell me? Raise your hand.
60.
Sir,
60 is
60.
the- Fine. So now we have to take all the denominators. Same such type of one.
Sir, I have a doubt.
What doubt?
Sir, after this we should convert this and we should do in decimals.
You may do, but we may do in fraction also. Okay,
Sir,
fraction will
because
do that.
sir, in fraction, how can we do 1 by 4
Sir, may I
by
tell the
2
answer?
example?
Yes. But no, may I
Sir,
actually
31 by 15.
Acha, wait. Now, just wait. So before adding, subtracting, or comparing, we need to make the denominator same. We have to convert unlike into like. Can you all remember this from this? But in exam, sometimes तो ऐसा लिखिए 2 by 10, which is totally. Now what is the ascending or descending? So we put out 15 by 16. Next number is 24 by. Now there are 2 middle terms here. So let us add them and divide by 2. Okay. What is the addition here? 124 by 60. Samriddhi, Soni, can you tell me again? Samriddhi. और कौन है? Who will answer it? Ira.
Sir, can I tell?
Ira. Ira, unmute yourself.
Sir,
We just
can I
do it
tell?
quickly. We are wasting so much of time. Yes, Santosh.
Sir, I did 124 by 60 division 2 by 1 and reciprocal 124 by 60 into 1 by 2. And sir, then I got 31 by 30. I'm telling my direct answer, sir. I'm telling my direct
So what
answer.
is
My
the half
direct
of
answer
124? 62. 62
62
by
by
60.
62 by 60, and I got
Sir,
31 by 30.
31 by 30.
Divide by 2. 31 by 30. So this is the median here. And you may write it in mixed form or in decimals also. It is 1, 30. Sorry, 1, 1 by 2.
So why are you dividing it again by 2? The 62 upon 60 divided by 2.
Get the lowest form.
Okay.
Okay, we just always try to represent in the lowest form, so it is better for understanding. Sir,
Sir, here you could make 124 by 60 into 30, 31 by 15 also.
okay, fine. So we may do that lowest form also and solve. Okay, fine. So this is question number 15. अच्छा, ये तो सभी को समझ में आ गया कि टू नेगेटिव का जो प्रोडक्ट है वो पॉजिटिव होता है. सो इट इज इवन नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स. यस, 14 में आपको कितनी बार लेना पड़ेगा? इवन. The product of two proper fractions, 1 by 2 multiplied by 2 by 3. 1 by 2, 2 by 3. Answer is 1 by 3.
1 by 3, sir.
Now if I compare answer with the first fraction, 1 by 2 is greater. Same way 2 by 3 is also greater. So product of two fraction is smaller. Product of proper fractions is smaller than each of the fractions.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, even the denominator are not equal, so we should take LCM and we should do.
We can compare, yes. But here without directly we can see half is greater than 1/3. Distributive property. Many of the students have done complete solution. They not got any mark for it. It is a 1 mark question. Okay. So those who done with property, those who took common, 47 is common. Minus 75 minus 25. This is the answer. A star B. What is the meaning of A star B? A multiplied by B plus 2. है ना, ये सपोज कोई एक ऑपरेटर है, एक फंक्शन है जैसे A स्टार B, तो जब भी A स्टार B आएगा तो आपको क्या करना है? You have to multiply A and B and have to add 2. Now we have given minus 5.
Sir, can I tell?
No, can I? Are you not getting me? I am telling from the beginning to you and Jayant. No, can I? You can raise your hand. I can see you all. It's a good thing, Santosh, that you are getting very good. बेटा बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं आप. बाकी जब जो स्लीपिंग जायंट है हमारे जितने भी. Anyone else can answer? Aishi, Aditi.
Sir, may I tell?
Who is there? Yes, speak.
Sir, it will be minus 5 into 2 plus 2.
Into 3, dear.
Yes, minus 5 into 3 plus 2. So it will be minus 15 plus 2.
Okay, so
Then minus 13.
fine. In the next one, where we have A sign. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोगों ने मिस्टेक किया है. देखिए यहाँ पे ना एक माइनस ए था. ओके, माइनस ए प्लस बी माइनस ऑफ माइनस बी. अभी क्या हो रहा है? व्हाट इज ए हियर? माइनस बी minus. Okay, who will answer it now? Let's see. भाई और भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं यहाँ पर, 20 to 24 स्टूडेंट्स हैं आप सब.
Sir, I can tell.
हाँ, yes Aditi.
Sir, minus 3 in bracket plus minus 3 plus minus 2 in bracket minus minus 3 in bracket.
See, that's what I have told.
Sir,
हाँ जी.
sir, for solution I directly written plus 3 minus 2 plus 3.
Yes. Because of
Sir, even to I wrote like that.
Sir,
see, you can see here.
sir, you have written directly plus, but I have not written. In next line, I have written that.
Yes, sir. I have also not written.
But I am talking about the first C.
Sir,
हाँ जी.
sir, we can directly also write.
Yeah, you can write.
Sir, now I can tell the answer. Answer is 4.
Sir, one more example.
What, Mahalakshmi?
Sir, one more example, please.
हाँ, one more example. Yes. Do you all of you got the operation? देखिए ये एक condition है ना कि आपको ये चीज करना है. अगर आपको नंबर चेंज करके देना, fine. Already the time is over. But suppose just one example you take. A is 2 asterisk minus 5. Okay, what you will do? Elias, answer it fast. -2, -5, -9. So what will be the answer, Elias? K. Correct. Good, Elias. Elias, given your answer in the chat box. Yes, Mahalakshmi, what you got?
No, sir, I wanted to give the answer.
Tell the answer.
Yes, sir. Sir, I will have to two plus bracket -5 -3 plus 3. Yes.
Wait for them.
One minus 4. Sir, 3 z. What is that?
Aditi and Elias already got
Sir?
answer here. Haji.
Sir, when will we get the answer paper?
Sir, I'm getting I'm getting wrong answer.
Fine. You see the correct one is -4 here. James, what are you telling?
When will we get our answer paper?
Sure. Marks you are telling?
Yes, sir.
Let's see after a few days. Fine. So thank you everyone. Jai Hind. Attend your next class. Be regular and be active.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you,
Jai
sir.
Hind.
Jai Hind.